yesterday we have to tackle this pond. It was covered with a tarp, and the goal of that tarp was to contain the water, but it actually didn't work out. So we wanted to reclaim the land, removing that and clean all this area. So basically, just in order to do that, we have to remove all the fences all around, remove all the posts, and then using the tractor, pull all the different pieces of tarp uphill, downhill, in all directions. It was particularly difficult there because there are those bamboos, and the wire was there, and the roots of those bamboos were growing through, so it was so difficult to pull. And yeah, that was a challenge, a real challenge, but we managed to do it well.
And how are you feeling?
I'm feeling fantastic. See, all this area now, it's clean, no more plastic. This is now ready for the nature to come back with the birds, with the insects, and do their magic. See how beautiful this place is. It's a wonderful place, wonderful natural space, which is really close. Over there you can see that we have this amazing collection of bamboos. So you are here, we will level up this area, see the chicken roaming free, and they go there and have a wonderful time, because it's so beautiful here.
I'm here forever, like air. Nobody say goodbye to the air.